Namaste students. The last class we have started the chapter multiples and factors. Today we are going to see the topics in that chapter: common multiples, factors, common factors and test of divisibility. Let us start our class. Let us start with common multiples. So we know how to find the multiples. Here I have given multiples of 2 and multiples of 3. So multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8 and then 10, 12 it goes on. So now multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and goes on. So here 6 and 12 are the common multiples. So ரெண்டுலையுமே வந்து 6உம் 12உம் வந்திருக்கு. So காமனாக வரக்கூடியதான் common multiples. So by using number line we can find the common multiples easily. Multiples of 2. So the curves mentioned in the above. So multiples of 3 curve mentioned in the below. So here 6 is the common point. And then 12 is also the common point and 18 is also the common point. So 6, 12, 18 are the common multiples of 2 and 3. So exercise number 3. List the first 10 multiples of each number and find the common multiples of 4 and 5. So you know how to write the multiples of 4. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and 40. So multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So which are the numbers common here? 20 and 40 are the common numbers in both the multiples. So common multiples of 4 and 5 are 20 and 40. So easy topic only, you have to practice more. So you must try other problems. So next factors. While multiplying 2 and 4, you will get the answer 8. 8 is known as the product and 2 and 4 are the factors of 8. Okay children? Yes. Look, we will see one more example. Look at the number 12. So 1 12s are 12, 2 6 are 12, 3 4s are 12. So these are the numbers known as factors of 12. So we have some properties of factors. One is the factor of every number. Yes, here one is a factor of 12. Every number is a factor of itself. So 12 is the factor of 12. Yes. Next, the smallest factor of a number is 1. Yes, from this example you can easily know. You have to remember this. The biggest factor of a number is the number itself. So 12 is the factor of the number 12. A number has a limited number of factors. Yes, we can count the factors. How many factors does a number having? So here we have 6 numbers are the factors of 12. It is countable, limited. A factor of a number is either smaller than or equal to the number. Yes. So 6 is smaller than 12. 4 is smaller than 12. So 12 is equal to the number 12. So you have to remember these factors by solving the problems. Finding factors. We have two methods to find the factors. One is multiplication, another one is division. First we see the multiplication method. So we have to find the factors of 14. So we have to write the table. In which are the tables we will get 14, that we have to write. That steps alone we have to write. So 1 14s are 14, 2 7s are 14. 3 table we won't get 14. 4 table, 5 table, 6 table. You have to check all the tables. So that's all. So we will get in 7 tables, 7 2s are 14. We already having the factors 2 and 7, no need to mention it again. So that factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7 and 14. So we will have 7 2s are and then 14 1s are 14. So these 4 numbers we already got. So no need to repeat the same numbers again. That you have to remember. Next, finding the factors by division method. In this we are going to see one example, that is 18. So by division method we are going to solve this problem. So 18 divided by 1, 18. 18 divided by 18 divided by 2, 9. 18 divided by 3, 6. 18 divided by 4, it is not divisible by 4. 5, no. So 6 it will come. So already we got the 6 as a factor of 18. So no need to repeat the same again. The factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. So 18 divided by 9, 2. 18 divided by 6, 3. So already we got these are the factors. So no need to repeat the same numbers again. We can stop it here. So both the methods easy, only we have to practice more. Next we have common factors. So for that also we have to write the factors first, then we can easily select the common factors. Common எப்போ சொல்லுவோம், ரெண்டுத்துலயும் இருக்கும்போது தான் அதை common சொல்லுவோம். So common multiples easy means you can easily find the common factors also. First you should know how to write the multiples, how to write the factors. எப்படி ஒரு நம்பரோட factors கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் நமக்கு தெரிஞ்சாலே ஈஸியா common factors கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம். Yes, factors of 14 are just before we found the answer for previous problem. So factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7 and 14. So factors are 21 are, so 121s are 21, 2 table varadu, 3 table, yes, 3 7s are 21, 4 table no, 5 table no, 6 table no. So we will get the answer. Factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7, 1. Find out what are the common numbers here. So 1 is common in both the factors and then 7 is also common. So the answer is 1 and 7. The common factors of 14 and 21 are 1, 7. Next we are going to see factor tree. Make factor tree of 20. So we can write 4 5s are 20. So that only we are going to write here. 5 4s are 20. So again we can write 2 2s are 4. So this is known as factor tree. You can write factor tree for any number. So we have to split up, and important note is there, that is 1 into number itself. No need to mention in factor tree. 1 into 20, no need to split up in factor tree. We can use only other factors. That you have to remember while drawing the factor tree. Next, test of divisibility. So we have few points. So any number that ends in 0, it is divisible by 10. So 50 means it is divisible by 10. So ending with 0, no? So that only ma. Any number that ends in 0 or 5 is divisible by 5. You can check with 5 table, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So ending with 5 and 0. Any number that ends in 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 is divisible by 2. So you can check the 2 table. So all the numbers ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 like that only ma. If the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3, the number is also divisible by 3. So for example, we can take 63. 6 plus 3, 9. So 9 is divisible by 3. So one more number, 123. 1 plus 2 plus 3. So sum upping the digits means 1 plus 2 plus 3. It will give you 6. 6 is divisible by 3. So like that you have to check. If the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9, the number is also divisible by 9. So same example. So 1 plus 6 plus 2. 162. So adding means you will get 9. 1 plus 6 plus 2 you will get 9. So it is divisible by 9. So that's all students. You have to solve the worksheet and then you have to practice the example problems and exercise problems. Whenever you are finding free time, please practice those problems. Thank you.